Alright, hello everybody. We're back again, and I got this from eBay. Arrow challenge lock. Fella made his own pins and everything for it. So I thought today we'd just go through and pick it, and we'd take a look at the pins inside of it there. Let me put this down so I can put my hand over that side. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it a little bit. I got some marks on here, and hopefully can watch the false sets you get on this thing. There. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check 5. A little click out of 5 there. Let's go to the front here. 1. Click out of 2. Click on 3. A little more rotation. Nothing on 4. 5 fills there. There's 6. Drop everything and try to get 5 here. There. Hope I got him up there. Hope I can hold it here. Nothing on 1 and 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Might have overset it a smidge. There. Let's see our 1, 2. Let's get it up. There's 2. I think everything fell back down in the back there. There's 6. Get 5 up there to stay. Alrighty. Maybe 5 will stay now. A little something off 3. We got 2 here. Let's see, 1, 2. Back into the back. Alrighty. I think we got 5 up there. Now if it'll just stay up there. 1 feels good. 2 feels good. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5. We'll click on 6. Alright. Start falling back down through 3. Alrighty, now it is either open right there or the back. Yep, it is open. Alrighty, as you can see, a little turning thing on the back there. Good golly, this little thing is pretty tough. Alright, let's see here. See if we can turn it on. Yes, sir. There we go. Alrighty, there's that right there, and I'll show you the key here for it. Not a bad key at all. Wow. It's just them low ones right there with that high one hit up right there right behind it. Makes it so difficult. Alright, so now let me turn this camera down a little. We'll get it aimed at the little pinning tray here. And let me see if I can turn it a little more. So that way you can see them a little better. There you go. Now, you get a little Phillips screwdriver. Alrighty. Let's get these screws off. And And I'm still pretty stoked right there because it wasn't. But a few hours ago right there, I picked my first dimple lock, the Yardini. So I'll do what they call a shameless plug. If you want to go watch it, you can go watch it now. I don't think we're going to need the key. Let's get this follower here. Yep, okay. Now, let me find out where these key pins is going to be. They're going to be up this way. Alright. Alrighty. So, let's put that there so it won't roll off nowhere. Let's stick his key in there. My goodness, I don't know if you've seen them key pins right there, but it looks like he's got some wild ones in here. Oh, I'm about to try to dump them all at the same time. Well, that one ain't wanting to come. Let's see here. My goodness. I don't know what the deal with that one is. There. My goodness, look at that. Right here. I'll pull it up closer right here shortly right there so you can get a better look at it. That is one mean looking key pin. Alright. Let's see here. There is 3. There is 4. There is 5. There is number 6. Alright, let's see if it's done anything to this core here. Yeah, counter mill in there. There. Counter milled all of them. Well, oh, let's see here. Let me see if I can turn my flashlight on to see if it'll show us a little better. Alright, as you can see, yeah. Counter milling right here, here, and he's threaded 5 and 6. Now, right now, let's see if we can get these drivers out of here. What do I do with my tweezers? There they are. See if we can get these drivers out. We'll see what they look like. Alrighty. There's 2. There is 3. Let me go back here around at the back. Spin that over. We'll start with number 6 here. Alright. Here's number 5. Oh, that's a big spool. Alright, here is number 4. And, oh, I've caught a spring there. Let me push that. I should have spun this around here so you could see down in there real good. Still trying to get the hang of working through the camera. Alright. Let me see if I can pick these up here and show them here. I'll pick them up one at a time here. That there is a key pin. Look at that thing with the deep serrations that it has. That's a mean key pin. Let's see what we got next here. Got a key pin here. Got a little spool cut into it right there at the top. This key pin here. Let me get a hold of it right here so you can see a little better. I think that looks like a little bomb. It's a mushroom pin as a key pin. Let's see what we got here. Let me spin this around. I'm trying to grab the part that ain't been worked on so that way you guys can get a better look at them. Now, it's got some real deep serrations on it right there as a key pin too. Now these here was the ones in there with the thread. So these here would really grab. Now, look at all them down in there. Well, it keeps wanting to roll around everywhere. I need to get me one of them, sorry about that, microscopes like Rune has. I love how he shows off key pins. And this one here is a wild looking key pin. Sort of narrowed down up at the top. And then got serrations there in the middle of it. Now for driver pins. This here is like a crazy looking T-pin. It's got a little serration here, big on there, almost like a spool, and then this little T-pin top. Alright, number 2 here is pretty much, that's like a big, deep, serrated pin. Really catches in that counter milling. This one here is a spool with sort of wider on the inside. And then look at them deep serrations there on the end. He done a really good job. I cannot remember his eBay username. It's like Jason St. Jacques or something or other right there. That's who I've got a few of these from. He does really, really good stuff. There's like a spool with serrations on each end. That right there was number 4. Here's number 5. There's just the spool. Skinny spool at that right there, because tweezers, they won't even hold on to it. And number 6 here, a big serrated pin. Alrighty, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.